If you regret not buying Bitcoin when it was just $300, you're not alone. You watched, maybe from the sidelines, as friends and strangers multiplied their wealth 10 times, 50 times over. You felt that tug in your gut, the one that whispered, "Why not me?" The headlines were wild, the stories even wilder, and as the price soared into the stratosphere, perhaps you promised yourself, next time you won't miss it. Next time you'll be ready. Well, that next time is now. But this time it's called Ethereum. The crypto market feels chaotic. Prices swing, news breaks, and uncertainty seems to rule the day. But here's a secret known to every legendary investor. Within chaos lies the greatest opportunity. Wealth isn't built in calm waters, it's forged in storms. And right now, as confusion reigns, those who act with conviction are positioning themselves for the next great wave. Timing doesn't just matter in investing, it's everything. You've heard it before. In investing, time in the market beats timing the market. But in crypto, the rules are different. Here, timing can beat money. Here, acting early can make all the difference between watching from the sidelines and changing your life. This is your moment to decide. Will you be among those who seize the opportunity, or will you look back once again with regret? Let's look at what's happening behind the headlines. The crypto market, for all its volatility, is pulsing with life. Ethereum, the world's leading smart contract platform, just hit 1.729 million daily transactions, a level not seen since January 2024. That's a surge in activity, a sign of growing trust and use, even as the broader market seems uncertain. It's not just numbers on a blockchain, it's the heartbeat of a new digital economy, growing stronger by the day. And it's not just individuals, the institutions are here. Robinhood, one of America's most influential trading platforms, now enables staking for Ethereum and Solana, opening up new income streams for millions of everyday investors. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has filed for an XRP ETF, another signal that Wall Street's titans are embracing crypto. The CEO of Aptos, a rising blockchain project, has joined the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, helping to shape the future of digital asset regulation from the inside. Meanwhile, Chainlink is launching tools that bring institutional-grade trust and transparency to blockchain data. Stablecoins, digital dollars pegged to real-world value, are exploding in growth. And at the center of it all, Ethereum, the backbone, the foundation on which the next generation of digital finance is being built. But don't just take it from me. Tom Lee, the legendary analyst who called Bitcoin's last breakout, is making bold moves. He's launching a $250 million Ethereum treasury vehicle, mirroring what MicroStrategy did with Bitcoin. He calls Ethereum the financial architecture of the future, the Internet of Money. That's not just hype, that's conviction, backed by deep analysis and a proven track record. Why Ethereum and not just Bitcoin? Consider this. Over half, 51%, of all stablecoins run on Ethereum's rails. 30% of all Ethereum fees come from stablecoin activity. This isn't just a speculative asset. It's the settlement layer, the infrastructure for some of the world's largest financial players. Visa, JPMorgan, Goldman Sachs. They're not just watching from the sidelines. They're building on Ethereum, shaping the future of finance in real time. Imagine the scale of what's coming. Today, stablecoins represent about $250 billion in value. But the U.S. Treasury projects that number could reach $2 trillion in the coming years. Every transaction, every stablecoin minted earns fees for the Ethereum network. If you hold ETH, you're earning a share of those fees. Passive yield, digital dividends, just for being early. It's like buying Apple stock in 2005. Before the iPhone, before the App Store, before the world changed. This isn't about chasing hype. It's about understanding the shift in how value is created and captured. The old mindset says, buy the S&P 500, own the whole market, play it safe. But crypto is now 3% of global wealth. If you own zero crypto, you're not just missing out. You're betting against the future. The new mindset is clear. Crypto isn't risky. It's becoming essential. The world's largest institutions, the smartest investors, the builders and the dreamers, they're all converging on this new frontier, and Ethereum is at the center. Look at the moves being made. MicroStrategy has over $7 billion in Bitcoin on its balance sheet, making it one of the boldest corporate plays in history. But the Ethereum Funds Club is growing just as fast. Galaxy Digital, Kraken, Pantera, Founders Fund. Some of the most respected names in finance are backing Ethereum, building treasuries, and launching new vehicles for investors. Public companies are racing to secure their share of the digital future, knowing that what was once fringe is now becoming foundational. The question for you is simple. Will you watch from the sidelines as the world redefines money, or will you get in the game? Will you look back in 5 years and say, I saw the signs, I acted? Or will you be telling yourself, I missed it again? You don't need to be a tech expert to understand what's happening. You don't need to write code or read white papers or spend hours in Telegram groups. You just need to see the trend and have the courage to act. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest, but you could become one by acting early, by positioning yourself before the crowd, by recognizing that once-in-a-decade opportunities don't announce themselves, they whisper. You might be thinking, is it too late? The truth is, it's still early. The infrastructure is being built, the rails are being laid, the world's money is flowing, slowly but surely, onto blockchain networks. You don't have to catch the very bottom. You just have to catch the wave as it begins to swell. If you're ready to learn more, to take your first step, or to level up your crypto investing strategy, let's do this together. Drop "I'm ready" in the comments, and I'll guide you, step by step, on how to build a safe, smart Ethereum portfolio starting today. No jargon, no hype, just clear strategies and real-world insights designed to help you win. Ultimately, opportunity doesn't wait. The world is changing at breakneck speed. The old playbooks are being rewritten. Those who act, who adapt, who learn, are the ones who will thrive in this new era. You can wait and watch, or you can step forward and participate. If this resonated with you, if you found value in this message, give it a like. Subscribe for real-time market updates, because the next big move won't make an appointment. Hit the bell so you never miss a moment. And if you want to go deeper, download the free guide, Ethereum for Beginners and Smart Investors. The link is in the description below. Remember, the people who changed their lives with Bitcoin didn't wait for permission. They didn't let headlines or doubt stop them. They saw the future and they acted. Now, Ethereum is offering that rare second chance. The next chapter of digital wealth is being written right now. The only question left, will your name be in it? Take the step. Make the move. The future belongs to the bold.